How to fix UAE Pass account login not working. If you're facing this issue, first thing you have to do is head over to the browser where you're trying to log in. And once you get to the UAE Pass login page and you are unable to do so, then the first thing you do is check your browser history because there might be some cache or some junk files that might be causing the issue. To clear it out, tap on the three lines at the top right. Scroll down until you find Settings. From Settings, head over to Privacy and Security, and then delete browsing data. Now from here, select certain time range. So let's say if I select last 7 days. Now from here, click on Delete Data, and then click on Delete. And once you have done that, you should be able to log in again. So just refresh the page, go back and refresh the page like this, and then try to log in again. But if it's still not working, then you can try to clear cache from your phone's Chrome. So go ahead and tap on the three lines and tap on Chrome to head over to App Info. Now from here, tap on Storage and then tap on Clear Cache. Once you've done that, you can just go ahead and try to log in back again and it should start working. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.